Hi, I'm Angel Whitehorse. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I was out at Sturgis. I had won a total of 3 awards. First at Evo Entanglement, I won Best Sportster. At Sportster Showdown, I won Most Unique Sportster. And at Bike Show Mafia Godfather Customs, I won Monogram Choice Plus Pick. They were all Sturgis Buffalo Chip and Camp Zero shows. It was amazing to have my bike to be a part of it. It was amazing to be a part of the bikini competition. I did not place at any of the bikini competitions this year, but maybe you'll see me around at some other ones next year or the year after that, depending on where my motorcycle stuff goes. I'm going to be doing some minor work today. I have to check my bowl. My float's either stuck or I got a bad gasket in there. I gotta change my oil and my charging system isn't charging, so I might take a look at my primary, maybe not. I am not 1000% sure I am totally correct. During the Iron Goddess promo video shoot, everyone was like, you're smoking. Yeah, I was smoking because I lost my fucking breather tube thing. And it was just flopping about. Gapped at 40.44.0044. And since their new spark plug's a little bit past tight, so while I was at Sturgis, USA gave me a new battery. Well, not at Sturgis. They sent me a new one in the mail when I got home for my Sportster and for my chopper. Because while I was at Sturgis, my battery kept dying. But in all reality, it wasn't my battery. It was my charging system. My charging system that I put together out of nothing. I had JB welded the magnets back together, which I'm pretty sure it ate itself inside my primary, and that's what that noise is as well. The last time I looked, everything seemed fine, but it's completely not charging, so it's not work. I have to just buy a new one. I thought I could just make everything work from trash, but you can't always make everything work from trash. Thank you to the boys at Saddlemen that thank you to the boys at Saddlemen for letting me leave my bike there overnight. I really appreciate your guys' offer of trying to get me the bike to me in your van. I know things get crazy around those times, and no worries. But thank you for my little tiny Saddlemen trophy. I love it. It's so amazing. Alright, I was going to put in my new USA battery that they gave me today, but I'm going to wait because I have to redo my whole electric system to get there. I remember why I have this Savage battery in here now. It's because I have the terminals are not the right way on the Sportster one. So I'm just going to switch to my unlouvered cover and put everything back. I've got my spark plugs done, my oil change done. I'm going to start on my carb next. Hopefully I just have to pull it apart and redo the gaskets and fuck around with the float a little bit. So now, Biker Bob doesn't come home with puppies. He comes home with motorcycle parts. He goes, honey, I bought more motorcycle parts. And then I get the pleasure of going through them and choosing anything that I want from it. So it's kind of nice. But if anyone sees anything they like, hit up Biker Bob's Chop Shop. He just bought all this good stuff from Good Looking Customs. Oh, fuck off. Ooh, yeah. My gasket is all squeeged. Where's my wallet? No, my God. Is that gonna work with the softer?
No, that'll work. Figure out what you can figure out later.
I am finally putting a new choke on. I have never had a brand new choke on this bike. They've always been secondhand, and they're not the best, and I flop about, or I need to hold them, or use a clothespin, which is, I guess, the true way. I could leave them. I could leave it and just use a fucking clothespin. Look who got smart and got a chair. watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow along with my build of my chopper that I'll be posting more along this week. I have a few more videos coming up until the chopper show, so make sure you tune in and check it out if you're not coming down to the show to see my bike.